Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of repurposing with some of the items that I bought thrift shopping. Bought way too much stuff that I probably didn't necessarily need, but now I'm finally repurposing it, so I'm super excited to get started. The first thing I'm going to be flipping is this little cloche. That's what I'm going to call it. I know you can cut cheese on it or put crackers in it, or I guess whatever you want to do. And then I'm also going to be doing this little milk can. So I'm going to start out with this little cloche, and I spray painted the entire bottom white. And I thought this looked way better than what it did brown. And then I'm just going to take some of these little trees I got from Walmart, and then this little car. It is an Audi, and I don't know if you guys have ever drove an Audi or have an Audi, but I got to drive one like a million years ago, and you feel so rich when you drive them. But anyways, I'm just going to be attaching a bunch of this Spanish moss to the bottom of this, and then I'm going to take some of the spray snow, and I'm just going to cover the entire thing so it looks like snow. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time. And then I want to take these little trees from Walmart, and I had to cut quite a bit off of them because when I put the lid on this, they were just like falling down. They were way too tall. So I did cut quite a bit, and I just used some wire cutters, and then I didn't glue them or anything. I just kind of set them in there in case I eventually wanted to change this up. And if you're wondering why I'm using a red car, it's because I could not find a little red truck. And I'm sure if you guys have like Hot Wheels fans at home, like you know there's a billion at every store. And then I just put a little truck on the top of it, or a little tree on the top of the car. I also spray painted this little milk can white, and then I'm just going to wrap twine all around the top of this, and I think that makes it look a little more rustic, and that is what I am going for this whole holiday season, is like a rustic decor to match everything else that I already have. And then once the twine was done, I just took a few of these little floral picks that I got from the Dollar Tree and then just put them right inside, and that was all I did with this. So you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I had so much fun doing these little thrift flips. I absolutely love going to the thrift stores now. I think it is so fun to repurpose items. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!